after the last video, I hope is you get practice is how you can use your 10 minutes, within 10 minutes finish one drawing. So that is quite fast, the pace diagramming practice. This video is let's make that slower. So we will continue for those non-semantic the elements to explain. So that is the node and the node connection. So let's go to the content. So that is introduced, finish will be these three the element or notation. Last video we draw 4 group is the test this how to model using this group. Group can including the element, but group is only in our visualize the element. Same to this node and same to this connection. So node is no confusing or mislead by any other elements. Group is you need to distinguish this grouping in other folders, and this connection you need to distinguish with this association. Association relation is a semantic meaning in ArchiMate language as R1 this real connection type, but this connection doesn't have the meanings of semantic. It's only need to use to connect the node with our element or with our relation. So let's practice that. So close this one, and I may starting to make some new ones is the nodes, node and node connect, node and the connection. So let's save that to here. So node and connection. So let's create some business. Oh, that is the blue one. So it's the data object. So customer file data. Oh, it's I can simply drag that in. So I can drag. So I drag here, try to make that align this damage claim data. And third one, so no matter, we can align them later on. So insurance, I press F2, insurance policy data. So node can be added is you just you cannot add from here. You cannot add from any folder like a group. So you just need to drag this node directly here. And once you drag that, is you can starting to type. If you didn't type while you drag, is you can select and press F2, or you select this from here. You cannot double click, but you can see from the min that is the content. So content is the one that you can like is here. Same is as the name. So another example of an ArchiMate waypoint. So we make that, and you can use the appearance to align this text position in the vertical and the horizontal. And even this, you can have this border. So this is called the dog ear. You can see is I just wanted to have the rectangle, or even you don't want border. So that is depending on what you want to link. That is the node, and you can also give a color to the node. Is like this one is I want to have a gray area, so then that is fine. And adding connection is very the simple. It's just this one. If you want this node is actually talking about this data. So just connect them. You cannot use the association because that is not a semantic element. And the tricky part is the interesting part, I should say. So if I create our application component is the sample applications, and I use this as the access, and I can create a node here. So accessing claim. So that is my node for this relation. So I can use connection to connect to the relation. So you can also add some nodes is refer to certain these connections. So that is the different way. So and you can have a node is the connect to multiple ones. So like is the this is actually refer to these two. So then you can make them is both one to many. So with that is the I hope is you can use these nodes as some of the views visualize the comments box so that you can give some additional meaning which no need to show in the model. So when you click view is the here. Also, I should say you can add this label expression. So like here is the default part is that is the content. So I'm not sure is the if I say here is the view name. Then from here is the code is my view. So that is just used to show some expression, but I'm not sure is that is the content. Yeah, that is good. Is this uh, variable is code is just the content with the small case c. So you can use the label expression, then you can making some this variable ways. You can add the some symbols like is I want this view name is as the stereotype. So then that is your freedom to do that. Then is I can load something else and making this the expression as to show or display some flexible way. If you want to learn the label expression, I just show you some basic way. So you can also have some more these variables can be called. Is go to the Archi's GitHub project site. Is in their wiki. There's also a nice article to explain the label expression. So that is very flexible. So you can try to get your own use case to do that. So with that is we finish this node and node connection. Then this all these three non-semantic the notation are introduced. And next one is we will introduce this one. Specific one is called the junction. So see you then. Bye for now.